Do you want to make thick, powerful liquid soap at home and you don't know how to do it? In this video, I will show you a simple, budget-friendly recipe that's perfect for home use or even small business. Let's get started. Today we are making 10 liters of liquid soaps. I divided the water into two, and I will be going first with my first ingredient, which is the nitrosol. Nitrosol is a thickening agent used in liquid soap production. Its main function is to give the soap a gel-like consistency and improve the overall texture and appearance of the final product. Then the next thing to add is our caustic soda and soda ash. Though they are both different, but they complement each other. The caustic soda acts as a deep cleaning agent in liquid soap, breaking down tough stains and grime. Soda ash, on the other hand, helps to soften water and also help the soap to work better, especially in hard water. It also helps to balance the harshness of caustic soda. And my next ingredient is sulfonic acid. I'm going to open this sulfonic acid and mix it with tezapon. Sulfonic acid gives your soap its powerful cleaning and foamy ability. Tezapon, on the other hand, helps your soap with lather. It's also a thickening agent. Sulfonic acid can be a bit harsh on the skin if used alone, so tezapon is milder. So combining both makes the soap effective but still gentle for hands or body use. Next is my color. So set a little water and then dissolve your color in it and set it aside while you are preparing the other ingredients. And next is to add the sulfonic and tezapon mixture into the solution. Once sulfonic acid is added to water or mixed with other ingredients like tezapon, a chemical reaction begins immediately. This causes the mixture to heat up slightly. Mix this very well and then onto the next. And next is STPP. STPP helps to loosen dirt and grease from surfaces. It also helps to enhance the ability of surfactants like the sulfonic acid and tezapon to clean well. Add a little water out of the 5 liters you have set aside at this point and then stir very well with the mixture, okay? The next thing to do at this point is to dissolve our SLS. Take a little out of the water you have set aside, pour the SLS in it and stir very well. Allow it to rest for about 1 or 2 hours so that it can dissolve, okay? Pour your dissolved SLS into the solution and continue stirring. SLS is a powerful surfactant and foamy agent used in many cleaning and personal care products. And to beautify my soap, I will be going with this yellow color. You can go with any preferred color of choice, okay? And the next thing that will be going into this soap is my foam booster. Foam booster is any ingredient added to increase and stabilize lather in the soap. It doesn't clean by itself, but it improves the texture and feel of the soap. At this stage, I added my last batch of water gradually into the mixture. This final water helps to bring the soap to the right consistency and volume. Now it's time to add fragrance. This is what gives your soap that beautiful, inviting smell. You have added your perfume. Let the soap sit for about 12 to 24 hours. After leaving the soap to rest for 24 hours, I noticed a slight color change. This is completely normal. The soap has settled beautifully and all the ingredients have blended in properly. Stir this very well together. At this point, the soap is ready for use, but first I have to package it into my containers. Will you believe me if I tell you that I made this quality liquid soap with just 3,000 naira worth of ingredients? Affordable and effective, right? And that's it. Our 10 liters of powerful all-purpose liquid soap is ready and perfect for everyday use, from washing of plates, clothes, or cleaning home. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start. Just walk into any chemical shop, say how many liters you want to make, and they will help you with the ingredients. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop your question in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more simple DIYs like this. You can also share this video with someone who would love to learn how to make their own soap at home. Until next week when I will be coming again, God bless you and bye.